Okay, here we go. So I got my colors. I layered my cup in the last video because I thought I was going to need a new pour on top of it. So what I've done was I put some more of those colors in the cup to bring it up layered wise, and we'll see what this ends up being. So I'll pour from over here because I know viewers like to see everything come out. So this is sort of a wide cup at the top. So I'm just trying to there we go. I'm gonna catch it just in time. We'll see how that does. And then I have paint in the cup left over. So I'm just gonna put those around the edges because I don't want to waste anything. So pretty. Okay, so here we go. It's a little off balance, I think. It's going to one end, or maybe that's just the way I poured it, but let's see how it turns out. I'm loving the fluorescent violet. It really gives it quite a splash. And this area right here is pretty cool. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm just doing some white, the leftover I have in my cup around the edges. I might need more, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll use a different color that I've got laying around. So I'm really just mixed up some paints, and then I'm just using them up at this point. We'll see what comes out of it all. All right, so I need some more movement stuff for the sides. So I'm just going to use up some of the paint that I have over here. These colors are not going to show, as it'll roll off the edge. So, but I'm okay with that because I'm all done using this color altogether. I don't foresee anything soon to be with this. So we're just gonna spread it out. I know it's not looking very good right now, but once I get moving and stretching, it'll look better, I promise. I want to thank all my subscribers and new subscribers. Thank all my patrons. They are beyond what I can possibly list off at this time, but I'm trying to send an email to all of you. I've gotten to some of you, but thank you so much for everything. this over to here. Okay. All right, we're gonna give it a torch and then we're gonna start stretching. Wow, look at all this. Those are some really cool cells over there. I wonder if you guys can see. Maybe not. Oh. Can you see them? Right there. Very cool. Anywho. Let's get this. I'm probably making you all dizzy. I'm really sorry. Let's get this stretched out. Torch it in the middle though. I'm really loving this area right here. I like a lot of it, but this area right here is really, really cool. So I'm going to try and save that area. And let's get these all stretched out. I'm just gonna go in a circle. Still trying to preserve that area. So far so good. I really like how it's gotten larger and expanded and okay. Yeah, I was stuck to it. Okay, so let's see here. So I'm just gonna fix up the edges in the corner and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, here we go. I'm loving it. Look at the fluorescent violet in there. And these lines, part of the glare. I'm loving this. This piece turned out really, really cool. I probably could have stretched it out more to get what was going on in the center, but I'm sort of digging the dark areas with the Payne's gray. But look at that. Anywho, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like what you see, please subscribe, ring the bell, select all, so that you never miss a painting. I'm not able to really answer any questions at this time as I am recovering from surgery, but soon I will try to get to your comments shortly thereafter. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.